Good morning to all of you. So once again, the Omicron pandemic, it has made the courts to come to a standstill. But of course, the Supreme Court has given directions that the courts will run through virtual mode. Blue Jeans app, I think all of you know that. But as far as the professional ethics are concerned, the advocates, they are supposed to maintain the so-called courteous attitudes to the courts. They must maintain the dress code, at least plain clothes they have to wear. And they have to speak from their office, if not at least from a room, but not while traveling, but not while taking lunch, but not with the so-called with a banyan, but not while lying on bed. It's not correct. It is against the etiquette also. Professional ethics and etiquette you have learned, I believe. But one such case once again surfaced. Previously, the examples I have given, they were previous pandemic, 2021. Now, once again, 2022, another incident, it has been noticed in the capital, that is Delhi High Court. That too, she is a lady, some Gupta, Justice Mukta Gupta. So, while hearing actually it's a writ petition number 1314 by 2021 filed by Tahir Hussain, is a councillor of AAP, Aam Aadmi Party. So she noticed the advocate arguing while driving the car. So she felt very bad. So you can see the case as Tahir Hussain versus Union of India and another in WP number 1314 by 2021. So this happened on 28th, that is yesterday, 28/1/2022. So on Friday this thing happened. Justice Mukta Gupta noticed the advocate, I don't want to mention his name, attending the virtual conference while driving the car. Immediately, orally, the judge remarked it is not permissible. Immediately, the matter is posted to 19th of next month. So, Justice Gupta, actually, she has been hearing the arrest. This Tahir Hussain, he was charged under UAPA Act, that is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, regarding that Delhi rights case. So, sections UAP Act section 13, 16, 17 and 18 were invoked against him in crime number 59 by 2020. So therefore, he has filed a petition under 482 CRPC, and also a writ petition also he has filed that the cases were unnecessarily foisted against him because he belongs to the ruling Aam Aadmi Party. Right? So in this connection, the matter has to be heard only virtually. The advocate, on behalf of Tahir Hussain, while driving the car, he was submitting the documents and a lot of disturbance was there. And the sound of horns, definitely when you are driving the vehicle, the sound of horns will cause very much nuisance. They have been heard by the judge, and immediately she remarked that this court takes no exception of the counsel's, no doubt, from the car, no doubt, because you may be in a hurry, you can sit in the car and you can submit your arguments. But while driving, suppose if something happens, some accident takes place, who is going to be responsible? So this is an important point, is it not? No doubt, he can stop the vehicle at a particular parking place. He can start arguments. After that, he can go to the, even in the previous incidents, they did not allow that say also. Even when an advocate was speaking from his garden, the Rajasthan High Court has warned him thoroughly. So at least courtesy requires that he has to argue by keeping, or at least by sitting. Suppose if somebody drives the vehicle, yes, he can sit from the other side and he can start arguments. But while driving, it is atrocious, not accepted, not permissible. So this objected. Anyway, so now actually against whom this will reflect? This will reflect on the petitioner, that is Tahir Hussain also. No doubt, the advocate, he will be taken to task. At the same time, the petition is already posted to some other date. Suppose had the judge heard the matter on the particular day, some judgment would have come. He might have given bail, quash orders would have been given on this petition. Something would have happened, but unnecessarily this has been postponed. But anyway, finally, what I want to tell you is please be courteous towards the court, have a proper uniform, and be dignified while dealing with the court matters. So, after all, what is the difference between virtual and physical hearing? Only thing is you can speak from your office. There you have to go to the court. So, when you are ready to go to the court, why didn't you give that much respect while sitting in your office? So, don't do such activities like while driving, you should not argue in this matter. No doubt, time is precious for everybody. There may be some urgent circumstance also, but when you are attending the court, you must have the so-called respectful attitude toward the court. Otherwise, things will be like this only, right? Okay. So please be courteous to the court, pay respects to the court, be in proper uniform, wear the dress code properly. This is as an elder. This is what I want to advise you. Thank you very much.